Welcome back, everyone. I hope you can hear me okay. So we have a new plan. So the new plan is to replace the fork and the front wheel with this piece of pipe, so I could have a single leg front stand. Yeah, and that will help me to save a lot of space when it comes to this setup. So this is a piece of 28.6 millimeter aluminum tube, and it's 3 millimeter wall thickness on the inside, so it's nice and sturdy. And this is the same diameter as the top of the fork. Alright, plan is now to put this in, and this little pipe collar here will go down somewhere around this region. Yeah, and this will stop it from coming back up through the head tube, because obviously when I put weight on this, this is going to try and push itself back up out of the head tube. So I'm going to put this little sleeve on to try and stop it from doing that. And then it would be this adjustable stem. I should just slide on. Very snug fit, but it will fit. Slide on, and I can put my handlebars in there. So let's get to it. Okay, so there we have it. This is the sleeve at the bottom. Single leg. I left all these spaces in there for maximum adjustment. And then of course, Zwift Ride handlebars. This is just a little side profile shot here. So as you can see, compared to the front wheel, there's a lot of space. So now I can put that even closer to the desk because there's quite a bit of room there now. I could move that forward a little more. And yeah, eventually I'll get a little rubber leg for down there. But yeah, nice and sturdy. Let me know if you have any comments or suggestions. So that's how the entire thing looks from the side. Yeah, nice, sleek, space saving. Lovely. See you in the next video.